Welcome aboard. In this video, I'll be discussing some updates regarding the Memefi Telegram bot. If you're ready, let's get started. Weeks ago, I introduced the Memefi Telegram bot on my YouTube channel. Since then, there have been some updates. Before talking about the updates, I'd like to show you my Memefi homepage. I have 37 million points and am at level 6. Some of my followers who registered using my link have earned more points than I have. Staying updated with such bots and being aware of updates is very important. My score on Memefi is 37 million. Since I don't regularly do daily combos, my score isn't that high. Let's do a quick reminder about the bot. As you know, Memefi has daily secret combos. If you perform these combos, your points will increase. The character on the screen has 4 different sections. If you make moves with the correct number of hits in these 4 different areas, you will earn extra rewards. The secret combos are constantly changing, and you need to figure out what these codes are. If you write in the comments, I will reply to your comment when I find the secret combos. The most important update in Memefi is the spin section. I currently have 146 spins. I'm tapping on it. Now I'm in the spin section. Currently, I'm using 1x for each spin. If I want, I can increase this value. I can go up to 50x. When I press the red button, I'll receive a reward. Yes, I won a good reward. I continue to use my spin energy and collect as many rewards as I can. As you can see, I'm constantly winning different rewards. This feature is really great and can give you an advantage over many others. In Memefi, you can win great rewards just by watching videos. Use these options and complete tasks. If you complete the tasks, you can earn spin energy or different rewards. Don't forget to use your daily turbo and recharge rights in the boosters section. Also, keep using the tap bot regularly. Lastly, don't forget to set up your wallet in the wallet section. We've used and collected points from many bots so far. Now, we're closer to harvesting the points we've collected. Don't give up and keep going until the end. We'll see what happens together. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you in the next video.